Hello friends, welcome to the channel, and today we will discuss about the trades that we took on Friday, and those trades were both short side in Mindtree and Titan. So if you go for Titan I recommended around 931. So when it was the price was around 2360, and then second stock that I was kind of highlighted was the Mindtree around 950, and when price was 4568. So if you go for Mindtree, then we saw that in the morning session it has huge volatility and it crossed the lower bound of the, or you can say the support point of last 2 days. So swing lows that were there in this on Thursday as well as on Wednesday. So we were waiting for the price or the candle which could like highlight where it shows that the breakdown or this volatility has a one side movement, and we were looking for short side because in the previous day, even though it went high, the price came down and then it went sideways. So indirectly it was a kind of inverted head and shoulder. Okay, again, so this price wasn't crossed. So if this level was crossed, we were very confident that it will go for good low, and the target that we were having was the common point which was around 4525, and it achieved. So around 950, around 930 it broke this level, and then my suggestion was that you can go for short if it comes to your VWAP. So in this level we were not able to kind of enter, but when it went up and showed a significant signal again that yes, price should go further down, so we sorted here, and then we booked profit around 430. So this point was our profit booking point because from this level it bounced. So this was like wasn't a big trade, but we traded as per our analysis, and in this one our stop loss was not more than 470 rupees, 458, and entry was 4560, and then price went down, so we got around 30 point. Next stock which was highlighted around 930. So around 930 what we saw was this candle, and this signal this candle was based on like you can say that flag pattern, because so this was our pure flag pattern. Okay, so once this level is broken, then with a stop loss of just 5 to 10 rupees, or you can say my stop loss was around 2365, because we were expecting that in case there is a volatility, then we can have like we can get stuck here. So at this point my sorting price was 2360 rupees. I shorted because after big fall I didn't see rejection from downside that much, and also upside I wasn't seeing a big retracement, because 3 candles were signifying that price won't go that much high, or it won't go upside. And it also in the first candle itself it broke this level, it broke the previous low. So This kind of pattern forms very rarely, and these are the candles that you can look for perfect sort. And then our target was 2320 because we were seeing reversal from here, this point of time. So if we 2320 and 23, and if we go for risk to reward ratio, then my entry was 2360 and then risk was just 5 rupees. Entry 2360 and 2365, 2320. So risk reward ratio was 1 to 8. Okay, but price went further down to below 2300, and then when market kind of recovered, Nifty 50 recovered, then it showed significant reversal. But I am still kind of skeptical about the price like reversal from here, because if it goes up, then we might also get reversal from 2350 as well. So if we see opportunity in upside, if we see rejection on the upside, then you can go for sorting side. But as of now, since big candles are in the bullish kind of price action, so we would not recommend till we get further confirmation. So this zone can be still be considered as a resistance zone. Till then, wait for the opportunity. Happy trading. See you on the next video.